Your car's paint is getting destroyed every single day, and most waxes barely protect it for a few weeks. So today I tested 5 of the most popular ceramic coatings on Amazon, from cheap DIY kits to professional grade nano coatings. Which one gives the best gloss, craziest water beading, and the strongest protection for your money? You're watching Auto Rift. Let's coat some cars. Coming in at number 5 is the Beginner King, Meguiar's ultimate ceramic coating kit. If you've always wanted ceramic protection but were terrified of ruining your paint, this is your safest entry point. Unlike pro coatings that punish every mistake, Meguiar's keeps things simple. Spray it on, spread it with the included microfiber towels, then buff it off. Done. But don't confuse easy with weak. This thing delivers impressive water beading, slickness, and a deep glossy finish that instantly makes paint look richer. It even helps hide minor paint defects, which is perfect if your daily driver isn't showroom perfect. At number 4 is one of the biggest names in the DIY ceramic coating world, AvalonKing Armor Shield 9. This coating exploded online because it gives average car owners that expensive ceramic coating look without needing a professional detail shop. We're talking insane hydrophobic performance. Water literally runs off the paint like the surface is allergic to moisture. And unlike basic waxes, this coating protects paint, glass, rims, and trim all in one package. The biggest selling point? Up to 2 years of protection from a simple home application. That's why so many people are ditching wax completely. Number 3 is where things start getting serious. Adam's UV paint wheel coating doesn't just protect your car, it fights back against contamination. This is a real 9H ceramic coating designed to survive harsh weather, chemicals, UV rays, and constant washing for over 5 years. But the craziest feature is the UV tracing technology. Using UV light, you can actually see where you applied the coating, making the installation process dramatically easier and helping prevent missed spots. And the gloss? Absolutely ridiculous. Once properly prepped, this coating creates that dripping wet candy paint look detailers charge hundreds of dollars for. At number 2 is a coating that feels almost unfair, the Nasiol ZR53. This thing combines professional grade durability with surprisingly easy application. You're getting up to 3 years of protection, intense hydrophobic behavior, 10H hardness, and protection against UV rays, scratches, mud, bird droppings, and road grime. But what impressed me most was the slickness. Dust struggles to stick to the surface, and washing the car becomes ridiculously easy. And unlike many coatings that only work on paint, this one also protects rims, headlights, plastics, and tail lights. For DIY users wanting professional level results, this is a monster. And finally, number 1, CARPRO DQUARTZ Go. This isn't just another ceramic coating. This thing is basically science fiction in a bottle. CARPRO infused this coating with functionalized nano diamond powder designed to increase surface hardness by up to 5 levels. The result is insane resistance against chemicals, UV damage, contaminants, and even mechanical wear. And somehow, they managed to make it beginner friendly. Most professional coatings are stressful to apply. DQUARTZ Go was redesigned specifically for home users without sacrificing durability or hardness. The finish feels unbelievably smooth, and the gloss is absolutely unreal. This is the closest thing on this list to a true professional detailing shop coating. So which one should you actually buy? If you're a beginner, go with Meguiar's. If you want the best value DIY coating, AvalonKing is hard to beat. If you want insane gloss and easier installation, Adam's is incredible. If you want pro-level durability without pro-level difficulty, Nasiol delivers. But if you want the ultimate enthusiast ceramic coating on this list, CARPRO DQUARTZ Go takes the crown. All the products featured today are linked in the description below so you can check current prices and reviews for yourself. And if you want to see the biggest mistakes people make when applying ceramic coatings, including mistakes that can permanently ruin your paint, click the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to Auto Rift, and I'll see you in the next one.